Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Chef Dale, and today we're going to be doing something simple. I got a lot of videos, well not a lot, but I got a few videos where I was utilizing lemon zest. And the way that I zest my lemons is beneficial to me, and I hope that you all can take this information and use it for yourself. I like this process better. I do not, well every once in a while, I may use a microplane or a shredder of some sort. But for the most part, 95% of the time, I like cutting with a knife the zest off my lemon. And I'm going to show you that process. And you only need a couple of things. Most importantly, one of the important things are a stable cutting board that's clean and a sharp knife and a lemon. And most of all, patience. Because you got to be real patient to do this. You just can't just go rushing. Let's get to it. I'm going to grab my items and everything. We're going to get straight to the video. Alright, so as you can see here, I already got my lemon and my knife, and I cannot move my stable cutting board. So I like to just roll my lemon just to loosen up the juices on the inside to get it nice and soft, get rid of that firmness, especially if it's been sitting inside of a fridge or a cooler or some sort. So I just want to roll it just to get it nice and soft, and cut the ends off. And what I like to do is simply just go around the lemon with the knife, and I'm going to show you that right now. So I like to start right here and just go and start rotating my knife every 10 degrees until I come to this slight angle here. And it's okay if you bust through that white and get to the flesh, because I'm going to show you why I do the way I do it. And I went all the way around, and you should come up with this and this. Right? I'm going to just sit this off to the side, and just for stabilization and safety, I'm going to cut this in half. And we're going to do a little bit at a time. So how I like to do it is I like to take my knife flat, pretty much up against how we would, let's say, a fish. And this style, basically, I'm filleting the lemon. Right? Get rid of that. So come back around. And I'm watching my fingers. Even though I'm sawing the knife, I'm watching my fingers. And I'm taking it and I'm flipping it up top, and I'm getting it from that. That. And I got just a little more I want to get. So get rid of that piece. And very carefully. And again, just to make sure we're getting rid of that bitter whiteness. And that's what we got. Got just a little bit I want to get off of here, very carefully. And we have just the zest, right? Just the zest of it. And I'm going to get this side, and I'm going to start here. And I'm doing some long strokes on some and some short seesawing strokes on the rest. Right? So now we got to get rid of this little white part right here, which we don't want. Get rid of that and go again, just to make sure we're getting all of that off of there. And I'm being very careful watching my fingertips, as this knife is extremely sharp. Right? And I'm just going along with my knife flat, sort of, at a slight angle, just to get the zest off. And as you can see, this is all we have. This process for me, I get more of the zest in the shortest amount of time. It might look like a longer process, but I'm taking it, and once I'm done with that, what I'll do is cutting them into strips. Taking it here. Don't have to rush this, because as of right now, we got our zest. And I'm watching my fingers. Again, this knife is super sharp. It's scalpel sharp. And in a later video, I'm going to show you all how I sharpen my knives. And I'm just turning it to the side, and we got these right here. Right? So at this point, you can leave it whole in the strips like this. And this is like great with searing fish. It's great with a marinade for chicken, lamb, beef. It's great for a garnish. Right, I like to use this type of garnish for my citrus salmon and my citrus glazed chicken. And I will leave it in long strips like this on the garnish, or I would just saute it up for a few seconds and get that fragrance. Or I would just continue to cut it all the way down, making sure to get all those little strings so we get some nice, even, consistent cuts here. And as you can see, we have our zest. And just get that off of the knife. And just go back around one last time just to make sure everything gets small. And that's what we have. We took this to that. All we're doing with this is just, I'm gonna reserve this. And actually, in a later video, I'm gonna show you how I make my lemon pepper seasoning. And for me, I feel like everybody should try this. I don't put any salt in it. It's straight just lemon, pepper, and a couple of other things to help bring those flavors out. But I feel like you should try it, and I guarantee it'll be liked by pretty much everyone that's watching. And then for the rest of it, I also got my juice. And I just take that and just squeeze. I'll fish those seeds out later, but I just squeeze. Right? And like I said, I'll fish those seeds out later because I'm also use that. I'm using the zest and the juice. And we got a nice amount of juice from that lemon. So follow this and I guarantee you will get the best results for lemon zest. Let me know if you want to try this. Let me know if how it turns out. And let me know what you want to see me use this on in the comment section below. And if you check in the description box, I got where and what kind of knife this is. I got where to buy and what kind of cutting board this is. I have the links to those in the description box below. And just let me know what you think in the comments and what you think I should use this zest for. Thank you all for watching. I can't wait to see you next time. Peace.